Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button for more videos. Today we are subfactorial 3 primorial. We are asked to get rid of this expression. This looks complex but quite simple. If you follow this video to the end, you'll be able to know what this simply means. Don't forget, 2 factorial simply means 2 times 1, and that will give us 2. So I would like to explain direct factorial. And if we have 3 factorial, that will give us 3 times 2 times 1, and that will give us 6. That is factorial. But here we are having subfactorial. So how do we get rid of subfactorial and primorial? So for subfactorial, to get rid of subfactorial, we'll be having, if you have subfactorial of x, so what you are expected to do is x factorial into bracket 1 over 0 factorial minus 1 divided by 1 factorial, so plus 1 divided by 2 factorial minus 1 divided by 3 factorial plus dot 1 divided by x factorial, then close bracket. Now, if you have subfactorial of x, this is what you are expected to do. So, that is, the subfactorial of x will give us everything that we have in our right hand side. And let me give you as an example as well. 2 primorial simply means you will bring out all prime numbers in 2 and multiply them together. That is what 2 primorial mean. That is, if you have 10 primorial, you will need to look for all 10 prime numbers that you have from 1 to 10 inclusive, and you will multiply them together. So here, I want to use 2 and 3 primorial as example. So 2 primorial simply means 2. That is, you need to multiply all prime number from 1 and 2, and we just only have 2. And 3 primorial is 3 times 2, and that will give us 6. So that is, we have 3 and 2 as prime number from 1 to 3 inclusive. And there is this thing that you need to note. 1 is not a prime number. You need to note this very well, that 1 is not a prime number. You need to note that very well. So once you understand this up to this stage, so our question, that is primorial of 6, that is subfactorial 6. We simply, because we want to get rid of 6 primorial, and 6 primorial, we've converted that to 6. So we are left with subfactorial of 6. So now, to expand subfactorial of 6, subfactorial of 6 according to our expression, we give us 6 factorial into bracket 1 divided by 0 factorial minus 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 4 factorial minus 1 over 5 factorial plus 1 over 6 factorial, everything close bracket. And that will give us 6 factorial into bracket 1 divided by 1. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is 1, that is 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 divided by 24 minus 1 divided by 120, that is 5 factorial plus 1 divided by 720, that is 6 factorial. What this is telling us is that If you expand all what you have in your denominator, you must have what I have there. So 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 will cancel out each other. So we are left with 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 24. So minus 1 over 120 plus 1 over 720. So with this means once 1 over 1 cancel out each other, so you are left with what you have as the expression below. So we now have 6 factorial into brackets. We want to take the LCM. So the LCM will just simply be 720. Therefore, 1 is 720, and 2 is 720 will give us 360. 360 times 1, we have 360 minus 120 plus 30 minus 6. So that's 120 and 70, that's 6 times 1. 6 plus 720 is 721. 1 times 1, 1. Everything divided by 720. 6 factorial into brackets. If you do the addition and subtraction, you'll be having 391 minus 126. Everything divided by 720. Everything divided by 720, then close bracket. So now have 6 factorial into brackets. If you subtract 391 minus 126, you are left with 265 divided by 720. Yes, there is thing that you need to take note from this particular junction. If you look at this critically, you will see that we converted 6 factorial. Yes, we converted 6 factorial to 720. So with this, and we now have 6 factorial outside the bracket. Therefore, 6 factorial can easily cancel out 720. So once that's easy and straightforward, no edit, because 6 factorial just cancel out 720. So no edit. We are left with 265. So what this is telling us is that what we have, that is a factorial of 3 primoria, will now give us 265 as final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share.